Now.
Huh?
I'm videoing them now. Oh, be nice. Cochin. Cochin, be nice. What are they doing?
One's all over there.
Whoa. Angel, what are you doing up there? Uh-oh.
I guess they're over there.
I guess so. Hi, Marley. Hi, Marley. Who's saying that?
I don't know. They're being
Infiltrated.
Yeah, look at that.
Oh, look at, she's up there.
Oh, yeah.
Be nice, Cochin. Quit chasing them. Oh, my goodness. That's not your food, just so you know. That's big girl food. That's the big girl's food. Oh, don't fall. Look at them girls. That is the big girl's food. You're only out to eat grass.
Getting adventurous.
Whoa. There's all the Cochins. Be nice, Cochin. Be a nice girl. They are so funny. What's happening back there?
Nothing.
They're talking.
I think they're like...
Hi, Americana. What you doing? Angelo. How am I supposed to put this on the internet now? Nice.
You're not going to edit any of that?
No. Straight to YouTube and Facebook. Hi, Americana. What's going on? Hi, Barnvelder. Oh, that's the other Americana. That's the black Americana. Well, she come running for some reason.
No reason. You just got spooked. These are the guys I saw.
Here's the Barnvelders and the Colombian Wyandotte. Hi. Hi, Barnvelder. How are you, honey? What a pretty girl. Such a pretty girl. What's them Cochins doing over there? Cochins, what are you doing?
The homeland's getting taken over.
Cochins. The young girls have taken over the hill.
Yeah.
Summer's being a good girl up there.
That's just one Cochin right there.
Oh. Hey, Tubby, come on back out here. Oh, such nice birdies. It's getting to be dark. Hey, Mama Cat. Yeah, what's going on? She pooped. Yeah, I was talking about you. Cochin, be a nice girl. Everybody has grass. There's plenty of it. Oh, I think they're getting ready to be finished. Hi, Angel. Because they're getting up on top of that.
Oh.
They're hanging out. That'd be good. Then I can go in and feed the other chickens. They like it out here. Don't blame them. Yeah. What are you doing? She's making sure no Cochins get her. Good girls. Come on, Barnvelder. You're the last one. I think that's it. Come on. Run, run, run. Everybody get in there. Yeah, there's some good Colombians. I think that's everybody. Hi, Cochin. You coming around back? All right. Oh, there comes another Americana. I thought they were done. The grass is still good. Oh, 5 minutes. That's